Hi, this is Sushmita Suresh from Humans of Kovai. Today we have a stunning, beautiful, and gorgeous stylist, social media influencer, and beauty pageant, fashion stylist, and whatnot. So much to go. Let's talk to her and know more. This is Rinki Shah for the day. And hi.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Yes, good. So while telling itself, I just break myself because like you have so much things, right? You are into so much things. So tell me, like, how is it to manage so much things into it? And also, I know that you are a mom of two kids.
Right.
So how is it?
Just enjoy your work. Whatever you do it with your heart and go with the flow. That's it.
That's it. So isn't it very hectic for you because you are a model, you are a beauty pageant, you are a fashion stylist,
Right.
and you have you should style yourself and also you should develop everything all together. So how is it to
Really nice. Actually, I enjoy a lot doing so. I don't feel hectic at all. I plan my day prior before. So planning is very much required. Once I plan and I execute and everything is done.
So next thing, let's go with being a mom.
Yeah.
So when did you get married? And if not,
Yeah.
you can say.
I got married in 2006, December.
Okay, so you got married in 2006. So was your journey being an influencer and a fashion stylist, was it before 2006 or after that?
Afterwards, after my first child.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before that, so your UG, PG, everything was in Coimbatore or outside? You belong to Coimbatore?
No, I am born and brought up in Jabalpur, MP.
Okay.
So I got married in Chennai. Now I've settled in Coimbatore.
Okay, so before 2006, so what made you to come into this? So you said like after marriage and after 2006 only you started into this.
Yeah.
So what made you? Because it's a huge thing, right? After wedding. And what made
Actually, before marriage itself, I wanted to open a boutique. So my dad said that once you get married, after marriage you do, then who will take care of your...
As everyone say.
Like everyone says. When I got married, then my mother-in-law was like, okay, have a child. After that, you do it. I was like, okay, I'll wait. Still now I'm waiting. Till now, like I have not started my boutique thing, but other things I have started.
Are running.
Yeah, other things are running. I never expected that I'll be an event planner. I became one event planner. I never expected I'll be an influencer. Today I'm an influencer. I started PR. So many things which I never, aimed for it. I only aim to be one of the fashion designer, which still now it's not done yet. So I'm focused.
And you're working on it also.
Yes.
So you said like before marriage you weren't prepared for it.
Yeah.
And it is all of a sudden, right? You just all started it all of a sudden.
Yeah.
And how did you what did you brainstorm? How did you brainstorm all these things?
Actually, when we shifted to Coimbatore, so it was too new for me. I wanted to make a lot of friends here. Then I saw one poster outside the Natural Saloon. I saw that Mrs. Deep Sakhi competition was held somewhere in January. I told my husband like I want to participate. Winning and all is secondary. I just want to explore and I want to make friends. That was a day when my fully life changed. I became so confident because I won the competition among so many ladies, all were like newly married ladies. So when I saw all these beautiful young girls, I was like, I'm not going to win at all, but still I want to make friends to them. But when I won, it was a life-changing game for me. After that, everything started.
So you are an aspiring woman. Like
I don't know that.
Everybody wants to become.
Yeah.
Because there is a tagline, no? After wedding and after marriage, you cannot pursue
Without husband support, you can't do anything.
So you have a husband support. You can say it loud.
100%, yeah.
That's nice to know.
Yeah.
So you said like 2011 was your first award, right?
Right.
So now it's 2025. So what was your latest award?
I participated in beauty pageant, Mrs. World International. There I was in top 30 among 148 contestants.
Okay.
And I got the Best Designer's Choice Award.
Which was the latest.
Which was the latest.
So it's a huge, more than a decade of journey. So how do you feel? It's just not 1 or 2 years. It's just more a decade. So how do you feel?
I feel very good. I'm happy. I have no complaints. And I'm really happy. More to go. Yeah.
I think you will pursue what you wanted to do. It's the best part of being an influencer.
The best part is like...
everything.
Yeah, everything. You are in limelight always, and you get access to all the new events happening in your town.
So you get access to it.
Yeah.
And you always have a high on it.
Yes.
Yeah. So have you faced any tough competition in the industry that you want to
I never take anything as a competition, but yeah, challenges, of course. Lot of challenges when you come in limelight and when you are page 3 or like when people know you, they start judging you also, and they gossip about you also, they spread rumors also. So all these challenges as a mother, as a wife, we have to face, but there is no other option. Just don't look left, don't look right, just look straight, focus.
Also, I think this question I should ask you in depth, because like we have so much of competition. Since you're not into one particular thing alone, you are into so much of things and you do everything simultaneously, and you'll have to focus and balance everything. So this is again a big competition, right? So if at all you have any obstacle in one particular thing, again it should not reflect on your other part of your world. So how do you tackle it? Because like if at all you have as you said, like you have backstab, you have rumors, you have everything, negative feedbacks and things. If it's happening in your styling or in your fashion or beauty world, it is again should not affect your media, right? So because you're showcasing everything in the media, and your business, your work is everything depending on the media, right? So how do you tackle it? Because it shouldn't suppress you.
Actually, I'm a follower of BK Shivani. I follow her a lot. So whenever I am dull or whenever I feel, dull or what you can say, like when I'm not happy from within, I will just follow her. I will just watch her YouTube and all. And then I'm fine. My husband is there to support me. See, when your family is against you or when family talk about you, then like you are more but when your whole world, your family is with you, I don't think so it should affect you at all.
So you bring up saying that your family is a support.
Yes,
again
100%.
Most rewarding part of your job?
The reward part of my job is we get a lot of connections, and as I said, we get a chance to collab with all big brands.
Yes, that's again a challenging world, right? Because you get chance to work with the most wanted people here, and that's again a challenging.
That's fun.
Yeah, that's fun again. Yeah. So, favorite social media platform?
Instagram.
Instagram. All time it's going to be Instagram because Instagram turned you around. So, one thing you cannot live without as an influencer,
Authenticity.
and also on Instagram.
Yes.
And again, and phone, Instagram. Without phone, no Instagram. Without Instagram, no influence. Without social media, there is no influencer. We should add it because there is no influencer without social media.
Social media, right?
Yes.
That to Instagram. Facebook didn't made any influence, but Instagram has made 1,000 influencers.
Yes. So biggest influencer inspirations.
BK Shivani. Brahma Kumari.
I think we should follow. We all should follow. And I think you are more into that. So I think we should follow. I think all the influencers.
Yeah, she has the ability, to change your aura. She has the ability to, she teaches you the deepest understanding of spirituality. Yeah.
Basically, adulting is more important.
Yes.
Favorite way to spend time with your kids? I know.
Actually, I hardly get time to spend with them, but whenever I'm there, I'll just cuddle them, I'll hold them, I'll make them sure that next to me, I'll just keep talking to all stupid things. I will talk to them. Non-stop, I will blabber.
So how do you manage? Like you step out from the house in the morning?
Yeah, morning when they come back from school, I'm at home.
You'll be at home?
Yes.
Sharp?
Yes.
I'll
be at home, 2 hours I'll be with them, then again I'll go out if I have to go. But I'll be there when they are coming.
And you're a night owl also, so you have work at the night?
Yes. No, I don't have any work in the night. Night is only for friends parties. That is,
So how do you involve your family in your events?
Actually, I don't involve at all. But indirectly, they are involved because they are the supporter. So when I'm out, my husband is taking care of kids.
So added to it, so when I ask this question, I feel like, so you will have to support your family's event also, since you're into event planners. So do you do for your own family, or you'll suggest them for another person?
No. I will only help whoever. I'll help everybody. Not even my family member. If someone will ask me, I will definitely help them.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm more helpful.
Get it? Because like helping to the
Yeah.
friends is
Yes.
something different.
Yes.
But when it comes to you,
But I'm a good planner.
you know, good,
Very
I could
good
see
planner.
that. Yeah, you are planning your day from 5:30, right? So most challenging part of being a working mom.
I have not faced any challenge, but yeah, sometimes it is difficult when you have to go for some shoot or when you have to go for some event. And what if your kids are sick? Then it's very difficult to manage. But now since they are grown up, so I'm not facing that much of challenges.
So you have two kids, right?
But I would like to add on. When they were small, I was not an influencer. I didn't do much of events because I was more focusing on my kids rather than my work. But now, since now they are grown up, so my interest has increased. Now I started working.
Also, you have supportive family, so they'll take care of them.
Yeah.
And so, how do you prioritize self-care as a busy mom and an influencer? Because as being a woman, you need to take care of your nails,
To take care of
everything on the
thanks to all the brands for collaboration. They keep calling us for collaboration. We keep going, and self-care is done, whether it's a nail art, whether it's a face, whether it's a dermatologist, call us, whether it's hair spa, we get all the treatments.
we need your presence, so please do.
So we are very happy that stay.
So since we have talked much about this products, no. So what would you suggest? Like to don't go out without these particular sunscreen. Without it, please don't go.
Sunscreen and without kajal, please.
Please
Use
a lipstick.
A lipstick also, please. If you are in limelight, please decked up properly, dress well, go out. Just don't try to be too simple.
Yeah.
Show off, na.
So also like added to it, I think you wanted to start a boutique, right? That's your
That's my dream.
that's your dream.
That's my college dream.
And from there, you started doing everything.
Yeah.
There is no more that you didn't touch. I think you have touched all of it except this.
This, right.
This one.
I'm waiting for the right time.
So are you planning anytime the coming years?
Yes.
Or
100% before 2026 for surely. And I'm going to invite you all.
yes. We will have to ask you about your this journey, right? So this journey have taken you so far, so very far. So do you think that you need a break from this?
I don't need a break at all. I don't want to stop. I just want to go with the flow. I want to do so many things. I have a lot of bucket lists. I have a lot of plans. I want to start something regarding traveling, photography, lots more. Spirituality after 50.
Okay, you wanted to start a photography also.
Yes. I'm
Photography,
planning to
you
buy.
wanted to do it? Or?
I want to do it.
Okay.
I want to click pictures, random pictures.
So an aspiring photographer is...
Yes, I want to go to villages, take pictures of those people who are doing,
Aesthetic kind of-
farming and very natural pictures. Yeah,
So upcoming photographer in town.
yeah. Definitely, you'll see next award will be best photo.
Next, okay.
Sharmila will say.
So where do you wanted to do this boutique business? Is it in Coimbatore? Or?
I'm actually confused. Coimbatore is not that big market. I was thinking, should I do in Chennai? Chennai is my in-laws' place.
Okay.
So I was thinking, should I do in Chennai or should I do it in Bangalore? But then I actually, with clothing business, I'm too confused because nowadays online business is there.
True.
Most of the people are, going more for online. So I'm thinking, should I do online business? Should I open a boutique? But clothing is my thing, which I'm going to do maybe online, offline, or maybe store in Chennai, maybe in Coimbatore.
So that's so nice. And what your kids are up to? Are they schooling?
Yeah. One is in 9th standard, one is in 5th standard.
Oh, you have 9th and 5th standard kids.
Yes.
So
next year, 10th.
So how are you maintaining your physique? So that's more important. That's going to be a catchy question here. So how are you maintaining your physique?
Actually, I was more slim on the slimmer side. Now I have put on because of lot of social, gathering, parties, and so many people inviting you.
Of course, this depending on networking, right? And
so we go eat a lot. So because of that, now I'm not able to give time to myself. But now this year...
Still you look like...
Yeah, but this year I have promised myself not to touch sweets at all.
You haven't touched anything?
This year. No, I have touched yesterday only, I'll not lie. But this year I plan not to bring any sweets at home. not at all.
But
Even
go out and eat and come.
not going. Yesterday, day before yesterday, my husband's birthday, so he gave me a little bit of cake piece. I had, but I promised myself I will not take any sweets. And then I thought, okay, I will start walking at least 5 kilometers a day. So I go twice to race course, 5 kilometer morning, 5 kilometer evening. So maximum 10,000 steps I need to do, and intake a minimum as much I can take. Yeah,
That's great.
This year, let's see, I have to become 5 kgs
Thinner?
down. Yeah.
You are already theorized.
I want to reach 5 kgs down. Okay, I'll come for photo shoot. Sharmila will click my pictures.
Okay, I just wanted to ask another one. Your first award was Best Smile, right?
Yes.
So we shouldn't skip that and because you have a beautiful smile. So this happened in 2011.
11. Yeah.
Okay. So how was the page? And like, what was your comments? What was the best comment? Because we got a best smile comment is not just a small thing. It's a huge compliment.
Yeah.
So how did you feel that receiving that compliment?
It was unexpected. I told you, this was my first, stage, you can say ramp walk. I never knew how to walk on the ramp also. My husband, he was a fashion choreographer in Chennai. So he only trained me by seeing
So
YouTube.
was this a love marriage?
No, pure arrange. I'm from MP, he's from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Pure arrange.
Okay.
So he only taught me how to walk on the ramp. He only helped me in gaining confidence. I started crying. Then when they announced me as a winner, I started crying more. Yeah. It was that so many awards I have got, but that first award which I received, I still remember everything.
It's always special, right?
Always special. Always.
Because that's a huge comment you receive.
Because see, when something is unplanned, your intentions are not to win. Your intention was to make friends.
Yeah.
But when you win, it's like you gain confidence among so many. I am the winner. Like that time, you feel so confident. After marriage, like you don't think that much. Before 12, how many years back? Now
more
every-
than a decade, right? Yeah.
That's what now that time, that limelight and other things were not there. Now everyone in every house there is one influencer.
Yes.
That time, like it,
And it was something huge, right?
yeah. So that moment was very special to me.
To possess an influencer name was huge earlier. That's
So
almost
after that, I gained lot of confidence.
That's great to know. I think we should wish you a very good luck and you should start a boutique, your dream boutique in your name very soon.
Definitely very soon.
Yes, and please do invite us. Our team is again coming with a camera to shoot everything, to capture everything, and it's going to be memorable. We continue to do that.
Wish you the same.
Yes, thank you so much.